Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your Fiverr phone number. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the search bar and here you're going to find your notifications, your messages, and also your lists. Here you're going to find your orders. You can also switch to selling. Access all the tools you need to sell your services. And right here, as you can see guys, in the right, you're going to find your profile icon. If you click on it from here, you can access your profile, you can access your dashboard, you can post a request, refer a friend, go to settings, billing and payments. You can switch your language, change your currency, go to help and support. And lastly, from here, you can log out from your account. So for example, I'm going to go to profile. Then once you're here in your profile page, you're going to find all of the information related to your profile. So from here, you can change your display name. You can also change your username. You can preview your Fiverr profile if you want. As you can see guys, right here, you're going to find your nationality, the date when you created your account. Right here, as you can see guys, you can add an introduction video. You're going to find your portfolio. And if you want to find some other informations related to your profile, just go ahead and click on your profile icon again. Then go ahead and click on settings. This will take you to this page. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the informations related to your account. So right here, you're going to find your full name. You're going to find your email. You can also change your passwords from here, add some security options. And as you can see, guys, right here in two-factor authentication, you can click on verify your phone number. Then right here, as you can see, guys, you can add or enter your phone number. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.